Right, that's usually where I picked up stuff before. But I am good with wherever it's at.
Right there.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thanks, man.
I appreciate your help. Oh, now this guy. Appreciate that guy stopping for me too. It's back over there. We'll get this Mustang out of here. Jonesboro, Arkansas. These Hummers are just so big. Cool looking, but they are fucking huge. That's cool. Alrighty. Hopefully that tire guy. You know what? We'll probably just load it over here, honestly. They got people driving in and out, vendors and shit for tires and parts. So we will just scoot up a little bit so we're not blocking their driveway. Air out. Drive the car over, jump out, turn the PTO on. Pull it up. Did I just hear the camera beep? Hopefully not. Let's check though. It's been being weird from time to time. Nope, we're still good. Alright, let's see. Let's go get pictures of this thing and then we'll drive it on over. Kind of surprised they left it outside overnight, but you know, what can you do? Sick, shall we? Truck. Very nice, very nice. Alright. This is definitely a stables quality Mustang. This thing's sick. Damn. I don't usually give a single shit about Mustangs. This one is very clean though. Love it. Door was not closed all the way. So hopefully it doesn't have any kind of lights that we're staying on. Oh man, why is there so many keys on this thing? Let's try this one. It's manual, so we're gonna be pulling it up. This is all good. Let's see. Ooh, that clutch. Something tells me this is not a stock car. Let's see. That key. That seems like the one. Sure sounds like an old engine. But what the fuck do I know? Okay, parking brake was off. It was just in gear. It's got AC even. I love it. Alright, let's get out of here. Ooh, this thing is clunky. No, it's not. I'm just driving it like a retard. Or, sorry, I shouldn't say that word. I apologize. I'm trying to drive it like one of my cars with a super light flywheel and, you know, you gotta rev it to get it going. It's not. This is just a regular old Mustang guy. I don't like that this Traverse pulled in right here. Yeah. Let's go check with them. No, I think they work here. Okay. Don't gotta worry about them backing out into me, or into the Mustang. So that would be just an absolute travesty. Alright, let's turn the PTO on, put the bed down, get it up to the stables. Ay. Slowest and noisiest bed around. Probably not the noisiest. I've definitely heard some of these clunkier, older tow trucks make some gnarly noises. Mine's getting to be 5 years old now though, so it's a little older, but not quite. What is this guy doing? Oh. Well, let's see who's got the smaller wiener. Apparently the white truck. Oh no, they're moving cars around. They work here. Sorry. Talking shit, my favorite pastime. Sorry. Alright. Let's push this up to the bed a little more and go to the right. Come on. not gonna need ramps for this, thankfully. Make sure that's closed all the way. Keys are in the ignition. Triple check, yes sir. All right, let's get the winch unlocked. And get her up here. Well, we gotta get it strapped down first, but you know what I mean. Alright. Thought my phone was ringing. I was about to have a frickin' throw fit. Let's see. Come on. Get in there. There we go. Come on, you sorry sucker. There we go. Alright. Let's get this one this side. Like that. Oh, yeah, yeah. Wonder why it's putting this in storage at the stables. Why not drive this thing? They probably take it out once the weather is not 110 plus. So I wouldn't drive this thing even with air in this weather. Wouldn't trust it. Wouldn't abuse the car like that. But some people do, because some people got it like that. I do not. Oh, forgot I unlocked the winch. That is mighty. I'm a dummy. It's still early. I have had my morning caffeine, but don't know that it's kicked in fully just yet, but getting it done. Oh man. Need to get a new strap. These freaking clasp things are not cutting it. Okay. It's usually why I unhook the bridle from the winch so it doesn't move weird, but it's all good. Just annoying. Going up. See, that's why I didn't go over there, because the tire guy is coming back. Be aware of your surroundings. Most people are not. Goes a long way, especially with towing. I'm gonna leave this one in neutral, just like every other manual car. Strap it down. Get it up there. These wheels are really nice. Who makes these? Legendary wheels, it says on the center cap. Guessing that's the brand. Porter setting off the alarm so they can figure out which car is which. Love it. Love a good alarm sound in the morning. I would be very surprised if this thing still has a 289. It doesn't sound like one. It sounded like something that had a little more balls to it. But what do I know? Nothing. Nothing at all. Ooh, it's getting hot. I can feel it on my back already. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Hey. Wow. Nittos, you need those. Definitely need those. Extra traction in the rear does you good. What in the AIDS is that thing? Shit. They'll be super, super dumb. Scott Drake Legendary Wheels. I would say so. I've heard that name before, Scott Drake. Is he a Mustang guy or is he just a classic car guy? Cannot remember. Definitely heard that name before though. Always go a little tighter on the rears with manual cars so they don't move too much. But you can't really go too tight on the fronts. I mean, I guess you could, but no reason to abuse the steering linkage. Because you're only doing one side at a time, obviously. If you were doing them at the same time, with even pressure, it might be a little better. But, you know, we try not to make things worse or make them sloppy, you know. It's got nittos in the front, too. I didn't even notice. Same size all the way around, 245? Nope, 225s in the front. Still good. Very nice. But those are all the things that I'm conscious of when I'm working with cars like this. You kind of have to be. Any dick off the street can move it to from point A to point B, but they call us for a reason, I suppose. So we have a certain level of care and finesse, not a hook and book. I'm not saying that companies that do that are, you know, better or worse, whatever. I'm just saying it's two different worlds of towing. Two different facets, if you will. All right, let's get out of here. Let's double check these are cinched down. Yep, good to go. Here at the stables, getting our Mustang dropped off at the stable. The irony is not lost on me. Okay. Oh, I forgot my GoPro was plugged in. Let's fix that real quick. Hopefully it doesn't shut off or do any weird stuff. Never done that. Unplugged it while it was recording. We good? I think so. Okay. There's our guy. The thing about the auto industry is you'll notice a lot of people are named Bob, Mike. Let's see, what are the other ones? Scott, Chris. I feel like I'm forgetting one that I hear a lot. But yeah. Hey, look, it's me. Don't look. Let's make sure we're not landing on the curb over there. I did get it kind of close so he could still get this range out when he's done. So make sure before we set the bed on the ground. Let's go see. Oh yeah, lots of room. Love it. Alright. Oh, he knows. Allergies are kicking my ass. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wee wow, whoa. After this, we're grabbing a Hummer for... Yes. Yeah, runs beautiful. Or an NBA player who I don't know if I can name. Not that it matters, he's not going to be there, I don't think, but I guess we'll say in the video at some point when it happens. Don't know if he's a current NBA player or ex-NBA player. I don't follow basketball at all, but I've heard the name. Did I say it runs beautiful? I meant to say it runs beautifully. I'm not illiterate, I promise. runs beautiful. Gotta put that stuff that's in my rack inside the toolboxes. Try not to leave stuff up there, but there's 2 things in there right now. That's how it begins. Let's do that while I'm thinking about it. That needs to go in there. And this can go anywhere. Just out of my way. Right there. Well, we're gonna need that hook for the Hummer, but that's alright, whatever. Okay. Switch this up a little bit. Take the last one. Come on. BEA beautiful. Alright. Let's make sure that's not. Good, how are you? Do you know, does this thing still have the 289 in it? It doesn't sound like it. Sounds very aggressive.
I think it's crazy.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, it sounded crazy when I started. I was like, damn.
Yeah, it's really done.
Yeah. So, Steve wasn't there, and then the guy he told me to get with to release it wasn't there, so we got it released through like 4 different people, just so you know.
Yeah,
Ended up being a service advisor and the receptionist at the end of it. The service advisor goes, yeah, Steve's too important to be around to do that. I was like, yeah, probably.
Alright. We're storing it for him? Yeah.
Keys are in it. There's like 6 different keys. I did find the one that starts it though. Okay. Do not know if the parking brake works. When I got in it, it was in gear also.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Is my phone ringing? Sure is. Towing. Hey, how's it going? I did. Yeah, trailer tire. Yes, sir. Bye. All right. We'll see you on the next one.